People are creating insane 3D AI cartoon videos like this. And today I'll show you exactly how to make your own, step by step, even if you're a beginner. In this video, I'll show you the tools, the prompts, and the complete process to create 3D AI cartoon characters and turn them into animated story videos easily. First, we need our story and scene prompts. Copy the prompt from the pinned comment and paste it into ChatGPT. It will generate scene-to-scene breakdown, character details, visual prompts for every scene. Now it's time to build our cartoon characters. Copy character prompt 1, paste into Gemini, and it will generate your first 3D character. Repeat the same process for the other characters. Now the most important part, character consistency. Copy the image reference of character 1, paste it back into Gemini. Now generate scene 1 image with the same character. Repeat this for all character scenes so the design stays 100% consistent. Now let's bring our cartoon to life. Copy scene 1 prompt from ChatGPT, go to Grok AI, upload the scene 1 image. Paste the reference prompt, generate video. As you can see, characters are consistent, movement looks real, and even the lip sync matches the story. Repeat this same method for all scenes. Now open your editing software. Import all generated clips, arrange them from scene 1 to scene 12, add transitions, effects, background music, and subtitles if you want, and your full 3D AI cartoon video is ready. Here is the final output.
You two make every day brighter. Woof! Always with you. Careful, Speedy Paws. You're both impossible.
And that's how you create amazing 3D AI cartoon videos easily. The magical prompts are in the pinned comment, so make sure to use them. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to Revron.